I recently purchased the new Surface Pro 11, this one. And in this video, we're going to make a comparison between the Pro 11 and the Pro 10. The first thing to notice is that the processor is different. So in the Surface Pro 11, we don't have Intel anymore. We have Snapdragon. Intel is not doing very well, as you may know if you follow the news. And yeah, so we are getting away from Intel. In terms of neural processing unit, which is the real innovation here, we can expect that this will get better and better in the next Surface Pro. The GPU is also different. In the Surface Pro 10, we have Intel graphics. Instead, in the Surface Pro 11, we have Qualcomm. Surface Pro 11 has the keyboard that you can purchase separately, and the keyboard has Copilot, a key for Copilot. In terms of RAM, the Surface Pro 10 has more options. The Surface Pro 10, which is more for business, it has a reader, NFC reader, and you can basically scan your badge if you are using it for work. They both have pens, different type of pens. They are both Copilot+PCs. The weight is more or less the same. In terms of audio, there is a slight difference. And they both have the same amount of ports, 2 USB-C ports. The Surface Pro 11 has also a better camera. Can both allow multi-monitor, but the Surface Pro 11 is better for the multi-monitor aspect. One difference for the display is that the Surface Pro 11 also comes with an OLED display.